Do you want to avoid making mistakes on Google Ads? Do you want a checklist to make sure you're not making any of these mistakes? Hi, I'm Francisco. I'm the owner of Planet Marketing, a digital marketing company. We specialize in Facebook ads, Google ads, and remarketing. Today's topic is 10 Google Ads mistakes to avoid. Quick checklist. Now, before we get to the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so you can get useful marketing tips. You should also sign up for the Planet Marketing newsletter. Now, this channel is made for business owners, marketers, and aspiring business owners. All links will be in the description. Number one Google Ads mistake to avoid is not fully using Google Ads extensions. Now, I made a 20-minute video on this, and I'll put the link in the description. So this is just the first one, site link extensions. Let me pre-populate. So that is what site extensions look like. And now if you're on desktop or the searcher is on desktop, look, it hogs up a lot of Google real estate. So what you need to do is go through all of these and fill this out, especially the ones that are relevant. If you don't have an app, don't bother. If you don't have an actual pricing list or something like that, don't bother. But I'm sure you want phone calls coming into your business. Maybe not, I don't know. But if you do, fill this call extension area. Number two Google Ads mistake to avoid is not getting seller ratings or product ratings on your ads. Now, I put a link in the description about this. This area is called, these ratings are called seller ratings. This is specifically on your Google CPC text ads. These are product ratings, and these ratings are specifically for the product that the company is promoting. So think about when you're on Amazon, if the company has no ratings, or the specific product doesn't have ratings, are you reluctant to buy it? I sure am. Now, reviews help. So these ratings get pushed from your website into Google CPC text ads. Where does your eye gravitate to more? The one with the with the stars? Maybe not. I don't know. But I know that the competitors aren't using it. Number three Google Ads mistakes to avoid is not checking search terms. So search terms are what people physically type into Google and then click on one of your ads. So what you need to go do is go through this column, search term column, and make sure that these results are what you are looking for. If they're completely irrelevant, then you have messed up. So for instance, I want to check the search terms for this specific keyword. I'm going to come up here. Once I select it, this thing pops up. And so transport car to California. I don't know what the hell this is. And AA Auto California. That's relevant. This is not. So what I need to do is go through all of these search terms and see what needs to be blocked or what's actually relevant. Which brings me to number four Google Ads mistakes to avoid. Number four Google Ads mistake to avoid is using broad match instead of using broad modifier. So as you can see, I am using broad match. If I put pluses in here in front of every one of these, the results are going to be much better. Let me show you a quick and dirty way in case any of you have this on any of your keyword lists. So what we're going to do here is add a plus sign, and we're going to add before existing text. I'm going to hit apply, and then you're going to see a plus sign pop up before each one. Now, I'm not done yet. So you come back here and change text again. You're going to enter a space here, and then you're going to hit a space and a plus. Now, you should preview this to see if all your keywords are getting a plus in front of each keyword. So there we go. Apply, and now all of my keywords are broad modifiers instead of a straight out irrelevant broad match. Google just taking people's money. Number five Google Ads mistakes to avoid is not separating the match types. So in this ad group, I have match types for each folder so they don't start competing against each other. So I have one for a broad modifier, one for an exact match, and one for a phrase match. Obviously, when you go into the phrase match, you're going to see a bunch of phrase match keywords in this particular ad group. Let me close this filter, and now you will see that these are what we are looking a bit. All of these are pretty much relevant. I made a video of this, and I'll put that in the description as well. Number 6, not using negative keyword lists. All right. First off, you do have a negative keywords area here, but what I'm talking about is using a keywords list. So you're going to go under Tools and Settings, Shared Libraries, and Negative Keywords List, and I have a section of crappy money losing keywords. These keywords are like stuff that is never going to make you any money. The words, when people do search queries and they use the word free or jobs or employment. So what you want to do is create a keyword list and apply it to all your damn campaigns so you don't waste money. Number 7, Google Ads mistake to avoid is not capitalizing each word in the headline. So I made a side-by-side shot of mobile and desktop. As you know, I sell a course here, do-it-yourself Facebook ads marketing course, and then this is the version that is lowercase. So with you tell me what looks more powerful to you, the left or the right. And this is the desktop version, and this is the, I guess the desktop version with the lowercase. Number 8, Google Ads mistake to avoid is not mentioning the keyword in the damn ad. So Facebook courses, Facebook marketing course, always put the keyword in the header, in the headline. It's going to increase your click-through rate. It's also going to increase your ad rank and then eventually drop your cost per click. Number 9, Google Ads mistake to avoid is not filling up all the lines of the ad. I see this happen all the damn time. All the time. People do like this. They're too lazy to fill. I can't think of anything else. And then they just leave headline number 3 out. Or they only have they don't use this description. Use everything you can to hog up all the real estate on the Google search engine. Now, there is something I want you to see here. I want you to pay attention to the call to action here. This part is just going to disappear if I make headline number 2 or headline number 1 too long. So growth starts here. I'm going to change this to market on Facebook today. You see how it disappears? It might as well not put headline number 3. So what you need to do is always think about that part. And in mobile, it's always going to show. That's fine. But in the desktop version, make sure that your headline number 1 and your headline number 2 don't make your headline number 3 invisible. And this is probably like one of the most important out of these. All of them are important, but this one, man, if you screw this one up, oh gosh. Number 10, Google Ads mistake to avoid is not putting the damn call to action in the ad. See curriculum, get pricing, get a free quote, free consultation, enroll now. Whatever it is, whatever your call to action is, put it in the ad. If you don't tell people what to do, they're not going to have a reason to click on your ad. If you think of any videos that you want me to shoot videos on about Google Ads, let me know in the comments below. There are some other things that I'd like to put on here, like a little bonus section, like not using a shared budget, or just not using a remarketing audience with the display network, ignoring below first page bid if the keywords are too expensive. I got a long list. Anyway, if you want me to shoot a video specifically for a concern about Google Ads, let me know. And if you need to learn how to market on Facebook, I sold this course all day long. All right, back to the regular video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. This channel is made for business owners, marketers, and aspiring business owners. If you need help with online marketing, contact us at planetmarketing.com. We specialize in Facebook ads, Google ads, and remarketing. And one last thing, advertise today, get sales tomorrow.